Let's go all the way back. What got you into working with technology? Because you're very passionate about like things around computers and programming. What got you into technology and then into programming?
I really love it, the part of, okay, I have this knowledge to solve problems and help people with that. When I started, I was working as a human resource analyst, right? So my daily work was interviewing, recruiting, talking to people, things like human resource work in a plastic industry. And what I had was a bunch of challenges that I started fixing and solving by using programming. So, for example, I create a small. Now I realize that was a very poorish uh, vacation calculator, but that time solved the problem. That time was amazing for me. So I joined the science computer college and started learning a lot. Started with Java, learning a lot, and that's it. Then I changed my work to work in a software development company, and a few years later, I'm here.
That is pretty
Thanks to
amazing.
that.
So your origins with programming really revolves around the desire to make things better. I mean, that's quite special. I don't know if you feel the same way.
Yeah, trying to help people and trying to solve problems. Both our those ideas of being a good guy that helps people with my knowledge of solving problem. That is my main goal here.